Happy Wednesday! All right, again, today we are going to be working with tiling and the distributive property to find area. When finding area, there are actually three ways you can do it. The first way is to tile it, show a model. The second way is to multiply. Do you remember our formula? You would simply do length times width. And the third way is to multiply using the distributive property, which is what we have set up right here. Okay, let's look at the first problem. We have 4 times 8. Let's break up the larger number into two smaller numbers. And just like the video we did the other day, we're going to double it. So 8 breaks down or decomposes into 4 and 4. We're going to do 4 times 4 and 4 times 4. Here we have that model. We tiled it with 4 rows and 4 columns and another 4 rows and 4 columns. If I count these up, I would get, count with me, 4, 8, 12, 16. And since we have the same problem, we know it's going to be 16 again. 16 plus 16 is, shout it out, 32. Good job. Okay, now I'm going to draw that on my grid paper. So I would do, sorry about that, I don't know why my camera keeps getting fuzzy and going in and out of focus. There's my 4 rows. I'm going to get my 4 columns. I'm so sorry guys, I'm trying to color this the best I can with one hand on the camera and one hand on the sheet. And I need to add my other 4 rows and 4 columns. Okay, and my problem is 4 times 8, and 4 times 8 equals 32 square units. Great job. Okay, here's our next problem. 5 times 6. Can you tell how I'm going to distribute this just by looking at my tiling? That's right. I am going to have 5 times 5. I'm going to distribute that 6 into 5 and 1. So I would also have 5 times 1. Okay, we can look up here and count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And here, just 5. 25 plus 5 equals 30. Correct. Now, let's draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, and 5 columns. Am I done? You're right, I'm not done yet. I still need one more column to make it 5 times 6. So I'm going to come over here and I have 5. It's 5 long. And this part is 5 wide. This part is 1 wide. Overall, it's 6 wide. And when I multiply, I get the answer of 30. Don't forget to label it. Square units. Now, like I said earlier, there were 3 ways. We could tile it or show our model, which is what we have right here. We can multiply it, which surprisingly I haven't really shown you that in this video yet. And we can multiply using the distributive property. If I wanted to find my area over here, say I have a box, not a box. Let's say I have one of my wonderful dry erase boards, because that is a flat shape and I want a flat shape. A box is not a flat shape. Let's say that this side length is 5 inches and this side length is 6 inches. Well, you know our formula. Area equals length times width. So I'm going to put my multiplication sign here, and 5 times 6 equals 30. Am I done? Nope, I need to label it. It's 30 square inches, because we know that we're working with inches. When we don't know our unit, we simply write the word unit. So now we have talked about tiling to find the area, multiplying to find the area, and multiplying using the distributive property. You guys are doing great. Keep up the good work.